There's a lot of people out there trying to get correct answers from the Social Security Administration, but unfortunately, staffing has been cut back. Looks like they're going to be depending on AI to determine your benefits for 2026, retirement benefits, spouse benefits, disability benefits. There's no place to turn. If you call Social Security, they don't pick up the phone. AI might pick up the phone. The person that picks up the phone might give you a different answer than what is correct. Gotten rid of thousands of people from Social Security, the most experienced people in Social Security. So what can you do? Well, my name is Ed Weir. I ran the third business Social Security office in the country. And in my kind of semi-retirement, I've got a live Q&A that I do almost every single day. So join my live Q&A, subscribe, follow. I don't sell insurance. I just provide information for free. You join my live Q&A, you ask your question, look out for your family, your friends, your loved ones if they're about to file. If they get some type of strange letter from the Social Security, come on into my live Q&A, ask it, and I'll help as many people as I can on a daily basis. If you don't have any issues now, please make sure you subscribe or follow, and that way if you do have anything in the future, your friends or family, you know where to find us. We'll see you at the live Q&A. Take care.